Hello, dear students. Today's lesson is about some exercises. We're going through some language review exercises together, and let's start. So the first one, we're going to match the words, and some of them we're going to use to complete some sentences. But before, let's form the phrases. So we have computer, animated, we have left, alone, we have human, emotions, special, effects, action, packed. We have science fiction, lover, highly, recommended, and annual, festival. So these were the phrases that we actually formed from the words here, and we're going to use them to complete some sentences together. Not all of them, some of them. Let's have a look. We have 5 sentences and we have chosen 5 of the phrases from the list we formed before. Every June in Edinburgh there is an annual festival to show the work of international filmmakers. Which is the phrase? Annual festival. Dan is a science fiction lover. He really enjoys films set in the future or in distant universes. Science fiction is the right word, the right phrase. Macaulay Culkin starred in a film about a boy that was left alone at home for Christmas. So left alone is the right phrase to use in this sentence. The film in 2012 has got the most amazing special effects. Special effects is the right phrase to use. Shrek is a popular computer animated film that is highly recommended for all the family. Don't miss it. So we have here 2 phrases. We have computer animated and highly recommended. Let's go on with another exercise, a fill-in exercise, and we have traditional, band, wind, times, and theme. And we're going to fill in the sentences here. We have 5 sentences, and let's complete them. The first one, jazz bands play lively music. Star Wars has a very recognizable theme song. The sitar is a traditional instrument from the South Asia. People have played music since ancient times. The flute is a type of wind instrument. So have a look at the words we actually used in each of the sentences. So we have bands, jazz bands, theme song, traditional instrument, ancient times, and wind instrument. Oh, all the words in red are the ones we replaced. Fill in with judge contains reflect, bend, create, and focus. So we have 6 sentences to fill in with the words given here. Let's try. The sun's rays reflect off the sea. Reflect is the right verb to use here. When lifting heavy objects, you should bend your knees. Bend is the right verb to fill in here. Her eyes began to focus on the tiny object. Focus is the right verb. The toy box contains cause and action figures. Contains is the right verb. You can't judge a person by his appearance. Judge is the right verb in here. Earthquakes create vibrations that shake the ground. So, create is the right verb to use in this sentence. Be careful to actually complete them properly in their correct form. Now, let's go on with some prepositions usage. We are going to choose the correct preposition in the 5 sentences given here. You see, for each of the sentences we have 2 versions to consider. One of them is correct. So Let's go on. Solar energy is one solution to the energy crisis. To is the right preposition. Showing times depend on the age of the audience. So we have on. The film will appeal to people of all ages. To is the right one. She has a successful acting career on stage and screen. On is the right preposition. Boston Dynamics works on developing advanced robots. So on is the right preposition at this last sentence. So let's go on with the homework for next time. You are going to answer 2 questions. They are very interesting ones, and you're going to write about which is your favorite type of film, and did you watch a film last week? What type was it? So again, we're going to talk about films. Please consider the 2 questions. I want to thank you for your attention and see you next time. Goodbye.